Hey, hey, all you little stumpsters. It's me. I wouldn't kid you, it's me. I'm still kicking. So we got Josh out here helping us. This is Josh Riddle. I have a riddle for you. So he's helping pick up the slack on the repair work. And he's his own little entity here. We are putting a little bulkhead fitting on the boom. We used to have a steel line going up there. The steel line got mutilated and started leaking, so we replaced it with a rubber line. But we needed a bulkhead fitting up there, so we built a little channel iron thing with a bulkhead fitting in it. So, when they put it on there a while ago, they never did that, and the hose kept working back and forth through the hole in it. Silverado Mechanical. Look at that. See, anybody needs stuff fixed, call Josh. Young fella just starting out, doing a good job, good little mechanic. So, doing a good job for us, helping us out. Getting some of the broken junk fixed. Got lots of that, always do. So, we just had a hellacious thunderstorm rip through here. Looks like it's clearing up a little bit. It was beautiful sunny about 10 miles up the road. Coming down here, I seen this big black cloud hanging over the job, right? Yeah. There's little Cammy. Say hi to YouTube, Cammy!
Huh?
Say hi to YouTube, Cammy.
Yeah.
What are we doing, Cam, huh? Fixing?
Huh?
I said, what are we doing? Fixing?
Yep.
Lots to fix. I was telling the fine folks on YouTube that was putting a bulkhead fitting on there. So, it looks like R2-D2, Darth Vader up there. Ooh. Beautiful. It's nice having these young bucks around. I can stand here and look important. Huh. Be old and fat. So that's Josh Riddle, right, Josh?
Oh yeah.
The Riddler. Say hi to YouTube, Josh.
How's it going?
Tell them who you with, your business that you're got going.
I'm Josh Riddle. I have Silverado Mechanical Service.
Yep.
I do heavy equipment and road tractors and road service.
Yep. So and we've hired them on for a few days a week, whatever you can get here. Now that's good. You've been down here what, 3 days or something this week, huh?
4 days.
So 4 days this week. Help them get caught up on all the broken junk. Oh, we put an idler in here. Oh, they called me too. Them jack cylinders for this are in.
Where are they at?
I didn't get them yet. They're up. I gotta
Go get them.
Yeah, my wife go get them. But
I was going to ask you that this morning.
we went. Josh pulled these apart to put the packing kits in them. We got the packing kits, and he come over. He says, "Hey, we got issues here. It just went too long. It scored up the chrome. So whatever. We got. I ordered 2 new chrome rods for them. So yeah." That'll be better. That'll be much better.
Much more gooder.
Yeah, much more gooder. Oh, I should have got some good heavy zip ties. I'm out, I think. Zip tie that hose back down a little bit. How'd you get so ugly?
I don't know.
Did you take pills?
No, it just comes naturally.
Yeah, me too. Well, I'm handsome. I you know, a lot of people want to know if I OD'd on handsome pills.
Yeah.
No, I just had to take just a few. And it, just can't help it. It's damn gorgeous, you know. That's why you see me beating the women all up with sticks, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so what else have we got to do? We got to go put that prop rod in that hood. That's our next thing. We can do that, huh?
Then we gotta get Kimmy out of the woods.
And you guys can go down and get Kimmy. I'll cut up some wood. Perhaps do something useful for once in my life. This is the township road, believe it or not. So they got a detour to get the bridge out down below, so they've been routing the local traffic this way. There's like half a dozen camps down there, and the Allegheny River is down at the bottom of this. And it's there's camps down there. See if you get some zippies there.
Where's my wheel well box, Cam?
You got some big ones?
Yeah.
Zip
It's on
that
the other
thing.
side beside the rack.
Zippy that down. A couple of zippies on it. That'd be great. So, oh, here comes more traffic. Yeah, it's me.